Hi everyone, my name is Jamela and thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and also welcome back to all my other subscribers. It's a slow Saturday morning start for me and I don't have any plans today. There is an estate sale that's happening in town, so I figure I'd walk down there and see what's going on. But I figured I'd make a quiche for breakfast, because if I make that, I know that it will last me the next couple of days and I wouldn't have to worry about cooking anything for lunch. So join me for breakfast. And quiche is just so easy to make. So to making quiche, it's a very simple dish. I have my olive oil in the pan, and then I add some butter, maybe about a tablespoon of butter. And then I have my olive oil and my butter in the pan. I used about a tablespoon of butter, and I just coat the bottom of the pan with olive oil. And then I'm going to crush up 2 cloves of garlic. Added some onions and let those saute down. And then I just add my fresh spinach, and I just grab bunches to my desire. So it's to your liking. Giving it a quick stir and just letting the flavors just kind of blend in with each other. And one thing about quiche, you can put so many different things in it. You can put mushrooms, or you can put bacon, you can put meat in it, whatever you like. But to me it's just one of those comforting dishes, and you can eat it for breakfast, you can eat it for brunch, for lunch, and for dinner, because I have had it for dinner with a salad, or when I have it for lunch I'll have it maybe with a salad. But for breakfast, I have it with my other little sides, and it's just one of those meals that's so versatile. Consider it a versatile, comforting meal. And once those are all done, I just line it, pour it onto my pie crust, line it at the bottom, and then I blend my egg mixture. And for the egg mixture, I use 4 eggs and 1 cup of heavy cream. You can use half and half, but to me the heavy cream makes it more fluffy. And once I get that blended, I just season it with a little, I like this Morton's garlic salt, seasoned garlic salt. It's a garlic seasoned salt or whatever, and some black pepper. And it's just a little bit. And pour that mixture into the pie crust. And after that, now I use cheese, and it's at Aldi's. It's a Swiss Gruyere blend. I use that cheese. That became quite a bit of a favorite cheese of mine for my quiche. You can use Monterey Jack or whatever cheese you like, mozzarella. Yeah, I just use the Gruyere. And again, I just eyeball this. So it's kind of like, I don't want it too cheesy, or just sprinkle some on top, and then I blend it in, and then I let it bake. And I let it bake for about 40 minutes, give or take a few. But once you see it rising and getting a little brown on top, it's done. And while that's baking, I usually use this time to, wash the dishes that I've already made. And not to mention, take my rounds of watering the plants, getting some things done before I go hit the streets here. So, yeah, it's pretty much my slow Saturday start. Quiche is done. I plate my food, and I can't wait to dig into my yummy little breakfast. And now I'm going to head on out the door. It's still winter here, so everything is just looking kind of deadish and dry and bland, but it is a beautiful day. It must be about maybe 60 degrees outside, so this was a nice, enjoyable walk. I dropped my car off earlier to have it washed. There is another beauty about this town. There's a gentleman who owns a car wash service right down the street. You can just drop your car off, leave the key, and he'll take care of it, and he'll call you when it's all done. So that's another little beauty that I like having in this town. So yeah, it's called Crystal Clean Car Service, and he does such a fantastic job, and his personality is just so friendly and welcoming. So yeah, you all get a chance to say hi to Willie. Hey Willie. Hey. Say hey to the camera. And yes, my baby is all nice and clean. God knows it needed it. And right down the street is where they were opening up a new kind of antique store, but they were having an indoor estate sale. So this is some of the stuff that I, videoed. I did come home with this frame. I do like having older frames because to me they have more character and charm, and not to mention this one was it was marked $24, but it was half off, so it was $12. And I was thinking about putting a picture in it of one of the paintings that I just, pulled out of my stash. I was thinking it needed to be a frame in there. So this is the picture that I was wanting to put in that frame. However, it did not fit, but this one did, the one I had in the bathroom. And after putting it in the frame, for some reason, it just wasn't speaking to me. I don't know. Call me crazy, but I thought the frame was not right. Then I thought to paint it black, and I did, and I, again, wasn't feeling the black either. So I'm going to have to come back and try my luck with this frame again. We'll see. If not, it's only $12, so I'm not going to shoot myself over it. So, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. And this was another piece that I thought about getting. I like that vase, but then I don't need another vase. And then I also like this vase too. And I said, I don't need another vase for that either. So anyway, and there you have my slow Saturday. And I thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoyed it, because remember, beauty is being home and loving it. It's a good feeling when you can take your time and just get up and don't have to rush out the house for anything. So enjoy those moments that you have. And also, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment. Let me know how your Saturday's going. Thank you again for tuning in. I'll see you again. Bye.